there's something I want to show you people. Wow! For a very long time, I ordered for this. I've been waiting it for 2 weeks now. It did not come on time. Wow! I want to open it with you guys. I want to open it with you guys. Come and see you. Come and see. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Since morning this thing arrived, I was so busy. That is why I said I want to open it with you now. I was so busy, guys. Come and see. It's ring lights. Ring lights, guys. Look at it. I'm so happy. Wow. It has arrived for ages. I ordered this thing. Wow. It has arrived. Let me open it with you guys. I'm so happy. Wow, look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. I'm so happy. I can't wait to see these lights. I can't wait to see it. Hey. Hey. And it will come with two colors. I think so. Yes, it's true. Look at it. If you want to change the color, you can use this one. Look at the white one. Look at the white one. White one. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Wow. Look at the that's look at it. Wow. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look at everything. Yes. I will start it with you people. Oh, I'm going to start it with you people. Is it finished?
Yeah, it's finished.
Okay. Let me try this. Where is this stand? Oh. Wow. I'm so happy. I can't wait to stand this thing. I can't wait to stand it. How are they doing it? Oh, is it like this? I think so. Yeah. This is the leg. This is the leg. This carton, you should go. This carton should leave here. Yes. Okay, let me keep this one. Look at my. I think this thing is very long, Yes, it's very long. I don't know how to fix it. I'm a happy lady, you know. Plug it and change my phone so that you people will see the beauty. Guys, look at it. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Wow, I'm so happy. Hey, look at the way the camera is so bright. Look at it. So bright. And you can even put more brightness. Wow. As you are watching my video from today, say that it's so dark or it's not bright or and the stand is very very extended though. Only one. Only one. Only extend only one, okay? Only one, yes. I'll stand only one. Even the one is not even finished. It's the finish. It's the finish. Guys. So I thank Fantastic Favor that just show me this thing. I thank her so much. She's the one that don't show me this thing. Since I saw this thing, I said I must buy this stand, this ring light. Yeah. Wow. I know from today my camera will be so bright. Well, look at my son, is even happy. Oh, we are happy people. Thank you so much. Thank you. I thank Fantastic Favor. I thank you so much that made me to discover this ring lights. She made me to discover this ring lights. Yes, I thank her so much. I appreciate her.